I am back with my 5 months hair transplant update. My hair might be looking a little dry right now, but that is because I'm trying the no oil, no butter thing that's going on, and I have a video on that. So the video might be before or after this one because it's already recorded where I share my experience with that. But in this video I am back to share my 5 months hair transplant. If you're new to my channel, I had a hair transplant about 5 months ago, and it is actually my second hair transplant. And I have a whole playlist of my very first hair transplants. I will leave it up somewhere and then in the description box below. So we're at 5 months now, and I have to tell you guys that I am a little bit slow with these updates because personally I don't see any changes yet. With my first hair transplant, I didn't have any hair at all, so I was able to see a little bit of progress. But with this time around, I already have a hair from the first hair transplant that's growing in normal, so it is kind of covering whatever progress I might have with this second hair transplant. And I truly do believe that I will see the maximum results like maybe later on, like maybe around the 9-10 months mark, when the hair has like really grown and has thickened up the overall of my hairline. That's when I'll be able to kind of see clear results. Once the hair get longer, I can tell whether it's thicker or not. But right now, 5 months, the hair, if there's any growth, the hair is still like really close to the scalp, and it's very hard to see. And I'll go ahead and show you what my hair transplant looked like for the 5 months of the first hair transplant, which is more like a realistic approach if that's like your first hair transplant where you have no hair. But with this time around, I have so much hair that's covering whatever progress I might have. But as far as the back of my hair, the suture line, which I'm going to show you, that line is doing perfectly. The hair is growing in normal. There's no scar. I've shared this many times with my first hair transplant. There was no scar. I have a hard time finding where that first scar was. If there was any scar, I can't find it. Now it's long enough to the point where when I get my next braids or whatever, I'm going to braid it because it's long enough to be able to grip it and braid it. I believe that is all for this update. Leave all questions and comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.